Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So I'm going to discuss today our session in managerial accounting. So we have discussed some of the basic of accounting. So remember the equation of accounting regarding with the equities. So now we're going to discuss some of the we go to the proper of the management accounting, which is your course. So last time we discussed about, I think it's the presenting. Okay? Presenting of accounting. So remember the cash flow. If you haven't done yet, so better you go back to that discussion. Okay? So that you will have a good grasp of what the accounting is all about. So now let's move on to a particular segment, which is management accounting. So anyway, the notes is in my website. No, don't worry. I'll show it to you. Last time we done with presenting financial information. Now let's talk about recording. So remember, accounting is a report. So we have to record the journalization. Okay, so number one, record financing transaction in a journal. Journal is a continuous account of the transaction, all the incoming and outgoing, so that they can trace the flow of money in the company through the journal. Okay, and from the journal, they're going to sort it, and then we'll create a report. So this is an example of a financial transaction in a journal, including the date, description, and amount. Take note of the date because that is the prescription period, whether is it a loan or uh, investment. Huh? So here, and journal entry. For example, we have Apple Incorporated issues $1 billion in bonds. That means uh, when the company issue bonds, that means the company needs a money. So he needs an investor too, so that the company can have uh, financing their operation. So that's the meaning of this one. So it is entry in the Apple 1 billion bonds. No, he issued 1 billion bonds. So description bond issue, cash debit, and then credit 1 billion. That means this is a journal entry. So let's take it as is now. Now, record interest payments. Take note, Apple issue a bonds of 1 billion. That means he is borrowing money from the investor. So this is the entry. Debit cash, credit 1 billion. So number two, record interest payment. So record interest payment on financing transaction include the date, description. The same thing, no? But this one is interest. So the journal entry is description is interest payment. Debit interest expense and credit. Take note, this is record of interest payment. So the description is interest payment. Again, debit interest expense and then credit. For example, 225 million. Okay, like that one. This is just a record. For example, the chief executive, for example, Stephen Jobs, issue a command. He need this to borrow, and he need to borrow money. So this is now the entry in the journal. So the journal is permanent. It cannot be eroded. So this is the most sacred records in the business. The journal entry. Take note of that one. So if it is a debit, cash, credit, so be it. So just don't be confused about it, because they are going to borrow sa debit, cash. So debit interest expense because Apple makes interest payment in advance. No? So when Apple are going to pay, so debit is the interest expense. No? Credit 25, for example, he credited, he received. Okay, this is from the investor, for example. No? Okay, for the record payment of principal, so the style is record repayment of principal of financial transaction. including the description amount. So the entry is like this one. Description principal repayment. That means Apple is going to pay this in some future time now. Debit bonds payable because you borrow, right? So you're going to pay. So that's debit. And then credit. So for example, 500 million, half a billion. Okay? Because he borrowed this one. So he received. Number four, take note, by the way, accounting is just a process. Take note of the procedure. No? So take note of this one, two, three, four. No? So for example, in record dividend payments, the style is like this one. Record dividend payments, a financing transaction, including the date. Always the date, description, and the amount. So why the date? Why description? Because they're going to trace where the money goes. So at the end of the day, the accountant will going to record where the money goes. Is it disbursement? Is this received? Something like that, no? So this is dividend payment, so outflow. So that's the transaction. Okay? So debit. So remember, a debit when you it's like a blood hemorrhage, no? This is cash, no? Go out from your system. So debit. So dividends, no? They're going to pay uh, the investors, no? Some dividends. Because he credited 10 million. Okay? This is from the banks, for example. And then number five, the style is record share issuance. So the style is this one. Record share issuance financing transaction. So issues shares, no? For example, Apple. So the entry is the same, no? The description. So this is share, no? Share issuance. So Apple earn, and then we're going to pay, no? So debit cash, no? Because he credited sometime, no? This one. So you're going to pay. So take note bonds. Now he issue bonds. That means he borrow money from the people. Now the Apple is making money, so we're going to pay through dividends and cash. So just like that, no? So that take note of the description. Borrow, payment, borrow, payment. So this is like a bank. No, bank is like that. When you borrow, you pay. This one. When you pay, you will receive. Because when you pay and pay, that means you're investing. That's another entry. Okay. So by following this suggestion, you can accurately record financing transaction with examples and citations. So FASB is accounting standards. It's their procedures. We cannot do anything about it. It's the word that defines this kind of procedure. So the accounting students should learn and memorize. So accounting is actually memorization class, no? So you have to memorize this one. If recording financing, this is the style. If it is record interest, this is the style. So you have to memorize, no? If record repayment, this is the style, no? If record dividend payments, this is the style. Kasi accounting, if you are not practicing, you will forget because there are many nuances of record transaction. So anyway, you are not you will not be you become a accountant, no? So your role is to use the accounting information. You will not be the one to prepare this one. So you don't have to practice this one. But again, you should know the terms, no? And then so that you can questions so that you will discern the flow of money in your company because you are the manager, no? As a manager, you are the user of the accounting information. So you should know this one, this recording transaction, no? You have to memorize. So otherwise, as a manager, they will circumvent people. Accounting will going to play around, no? You don't know. And then at the end of you will get losses, no? You don't know where the money goes, no? So that's why you should know about basic transaction. For recording, this is the entry. Record interest, this is the entry. You have to memorize this one. For record repayment, this is the entry. This is according to FACBS, no? So this is the body that followed by the whole world, no? FASB, Accounting Standards Conditions, Financial Accounting Standard Board, no? So there's a group of people that uh, analyze. This should be the what we call reporting. And they say, no? Recording, no? That's the style. Okay, so because you will not be a bookkeeper, no? I'm not going to delve in depth into this one. It's just you have to know the basic. Na? Okay, next meeting, we will be discussing some of the entry. Na? So anyway, I want you to read this link. Na? So this link I have crafted and then for your reading purposes. Na? This actually this our link. Na? I've sent it to you. Right? So go here, then click the notes, and then click the management accounting. So this is the subject. Na? Then you will find all these links. Na? And then we are in number two. Next meeting will be trying to do three and four maybe. Na? So next one. So with this note, uh, let's uh, let's close this session and continue next week. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.